A series of macroeconomic data is due in the second half of the trading week. Let's watch a video calendar on InstaForex TV channel to find out what reports are on investors' radars. Thursday is the day when the U.S. Labor Department posts a weekly update on unemployment claims. Investors are encouraged by a steady decline in the number of jobless claims for a few weeks straight. This time, the market is also anticipating upbeat data. Both first-time and continuing unemployment claims are expected to confirm a further downtrend. Fresh evidence that the U.S. economy is set to regain momentum is likely to cheer up investors, so the U.S. dollar could find short-term support. On Friday, February 12, market participants will shift focus towards the UK to get to know preliminary GDP data for the fourth quarter. According to flash estimates, the British economy carried on with its recovery in the wake of the first two lockdowns. At first glance, such news should be bullish for the pound sterling. On the other hand, we should bear in mind that the UK authorities reimposed restrictive measures as the mutant coronavirus strain had emerged in the kingdom. Hence, the sterling could receive a boost, though for a short time. On Friday, traders speculating on the Canadian dollar are braced for a report which could dent the loonie's confidence. The Canadian currency has been advancing for a few weeks on the back of the oil price rally and growing global risk sentiment. However, on Friday, Canada will release a report which could discourage investors and remind them about the fallout from the pandemic. The market will get to know a revised reading of the wholesale sales for December. The preliminary data showed a 1.7% drop on months. The revised data is expected to log a less steep contraction of 1.5%. Such dismal data is an extremely negative sign for the Canadian economy that is bearish for the national currency, so the loonie will respond with a short-term correction. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.